That is the first tree that we had to cut down. There is the second one. All this brush. Third. Fourth tree. Plus all this brush. All those little trees. Four. All of those trees right there. This here. That one right there. The one right next to it. All this brush here. All these trees. The one on the other side. Okay, all this brush here. That one. All this brush. This tree here. This tree here. Those trees over there. Two of them. This one here. This other one here. That one there. This one here, and this is where the corner turns towards the property. That one there. That one there. All this brush. This here. That there. This one. That one. All those little ones. This one. That one. That one right there. How tall it is? Like 50 feet. These two. How tall they are? And this one. This one. All this brush around it. This one. This one. This one. All this brush. This one. Almost fall down. That one. This one. That one. All of this. All of those trees over there. That over there. And I am out of the woods. I have to take this one down. We have to prune that one. Take this one down. Have to prune that one. Take this one down. Prune that one. Take all of this down. And take that one down. And here's where it turns towards the compound area. So I hope this explains much of what has to be done.